Hey.
Hey.
Say, how are you guys?
Hello, guys.
Where are we going today?
We're going to the farm.
What kind of farm?
Blackberries.
You gonna pick blackberries?
Yeah.
You're so cute, honey.
We're just going to pick blackberries.
Hi guys, my name is Sonia. If you're new here, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Toronto, Canada. I make videos about my life, so it's a lifestyle vlog. I hope you subscribe to this channel and please like this video. Just subscribe right now before you do anything else. Also like the video right now and watch to the end. It's quite interesting. I get up to much in Canada, especially in the summer, so this is one of those videos. I hope you enjoy. So here we're just pulling up to the farm, Downeys Farm, where we're gonna pick some raspberries. They pick other stuff usually, but today was just for raspberries. He was sleeping in the car.
Come, baby, let's go.
Come. Yeah, it was muddy puddle. Yeah. Yeah, so we came raspberry picking. My son was so excited. Yes, a tire. Oh, there are animals here. I thought it was just a raspberry farm. Oh. There's a like a donkey or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at the animals.
Oh, that's a goat.
Yeah, it's a goat.
So you can do like a little petting. It's like a little petting zoo.
That is a well-fed donkey.
Elroy, look at the donkey. Or you want to take a picture by the donkey? Go stand by the donkey. Let's take a picture.
True, baby. Come on, stand by the donkey.
Hi.
That's Billy the goat.
Hi.
This is sweet goat meat here.
He's just using the horns to scratch himself.
What animal is this?
A goat.
So what?
Why? Come on.
Elroy, what's this?
It's a white goat.
Yeah,
goats are
white
good for?
goat.
They're good for pepper soup.
You want to touch it?
Goats are also good for asum and goat suya.
That is a massive cow, yo.
I look like a perfect you.
Hi, cowie.
It is a cow.
Yeah, that's a goat. I didn't even have to tell my son to move back. Just move back with immediate alacrity. Hi, goatie. The goats are friendly, eh? There's a lamb. Elroy, come see the lamb. Or the sheep. Can you see the sheep? Let's go pick some raspberries.
A green tractor.
A green tractor? Yeah, over there.
Do you already help those guys? Yeah.
Do you guys take card?
Yes, they do.
That's good.
Cashless society. We're not supposed to be handing cash out at this point. So
3 different sizes, and you just need to do a minimum of 1 of these.
Okay, minimum. So that one's not available, right?
It is, yeah.
Okay. I'm a single girl, so I don't need too much. I'll do that one.
And then are you getting one as well?
Yeah, I'll get the one, the 13.
13.50. Okay, are you paying separately or together?
Separately.
Okay, so 13.50 and 7.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, did you say hi to the beautiful women? Ladies? Say hi.
All right, here you go. Here's your basket. Gonna use it to pick the raspberries, okay? Let's go out this way.
Yeah, you should follow the path.
We're doing what? Sorry? Okay.
Yeah, just keep walking straight.
Thank you. But is there any reason why people are not picking here?
The farmer just wants to let those through.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
Yeah, put it in there. Put it in your basket. Good job. But the darker one is the sweeter. The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. He got one fat one. His first one was a fat one. It's a bitter. Which color? What shade was it? Was it dark or was it light? So let's try light one. Let me try this one. You want to taste it? Taste it. It's nice. This one is nice. So the ones that are not too dark are nicer.
Exactly right.
You want to pick one? You pick this one. Good job. Is there more juicy ones here? Can't really see any juicy ones. This one looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Tiny one. Can you see any? Okay, I think we're okay for here. Let's move on. There's no other black people here, guys. Black people don't pick raspberries. These black people do. Right? Yes, baby. Show them your raspberries. Good job. That's it for us. I think I paid $13.50 for this basket. I shouldn't have gotten this big one. I should have gotten a little one. So now we gotta fill this up. We got a lot of work to do. And so right now, I'm just picking anything I see because anything pickable because I gotta fill this basket. I can't spend my whole day here, right? I can't spend my whole day here. I gotta pick everything, Elroy. Elroy, bring the basket. Elroy, bring the basket, please. My son is so helpful right now. He's holding the basket. I should stop screaming?
Yes.
I wanted you to hear me.
Oh, someone's screaming.
Someone's screaming?
Yeah,
Who's screaming?
Auntie's screaming.
Auntie's screaming. There's a lot in this bush, eh? There's a lot in this bush. You want to pick some?
Yeah, no dogs in here. No pigs in there.
Mm-hmm.
No dog in there. No cat in there.
No dogs and cats in here, right?
Don't pick flies.
I shouldn't pick flies?
Yeah.
I'll try not to. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me.
Oh, it's on you.
The fly?
Yeah.
Hi. You sleep here. We're going to leave you, eh? You sleep here. I can't stay here. I want to. This basket is full. I'm done.
Chika is tired.
Even me, I'm tired.
I've not
I
eaten.
think that
And the sun.
Where?
like where these people are. There's more there.
I'm just tired.
You guys are looking good.
Ify, the content creator, about to do some magic for Priska. It's behind the scenes, you know, how we get the fabulous stuff you see on IG and whatnot. Nature is so beautiful. I mean, I can retire here, just run into the field, play with my kid, have a horse. Gonna hold on to that?
Baby, fire they go. All the boys sit down colo, and they want some poro potom potom tom. She con the pium 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 pium. Waka waka baby, uru uru baby, kona kona baby. And I go tell my mama, and I go tell my papa, and I go tell them say, you be waka waka baby, you be chuku chuku baby, baby sawa. Ashawo, boom boom. Boom boom. And the baby sour.
Look, pick this one.
Oh, this raspberries. Raspberries make you strong.
Yeah, they make you strong.
Yes, it makes you turn a car.
A transformer.
Raspberries everywhere.
It's more so like I was studying my outside, so I couldn't even get most of it.
Raspberries.
It's far. Like they live like on the
It's really going in.
edge of Oakville. Like it's like how long? Like next
Good job, Elroy. You're really into this.
Raspberries stronger. Turn the motor, turn the car, turn the police car.
I'm so done, guys. I'm so done, but it was a good day. Spent 2 hours out here. There's my little man. Elroy, run up! Walking to the car to wait for the girls because they're out there taking pictures, and I'm done. I don't care for pictures right now. I really don't care for pictures.
Oh!
It's right there. It's so big.
These don't know. You need these horses.
So we're finally done picking raspberries. I was so tired and so hungry. We're driving home and we decided that we're gonna get some shawarma. So I called the shawarma guy and ordered beforehand because it takes a while for him to make it. And then we went there to get the shawarma.
It says what happened. Let me just move now. The things that we do. Behind me. Oh boy, let me pass now.
Baby, this is strictly between me and you, baby. We were doing what we were doing and doing right. I need a girl, be my wife. I need a girl, I don't mind. Have we passed this place? Like, something. No frills. I think we passed it. Fancy. It's not what my plans be. Look at the family. Next step. What's the big girls be confusing me? I don't know if they really love me or they're using me. But maybe getting used to me. Now you abusing me. Yeah, girl, not this one. You know how to treat me. That's you and me. I need a girl to ride. I need a girl to be my wife. I need a girl to be mine. A lifetime. A lot of women got the right mind. They done had pretty features, all the right features. They're good rock chicks, they're all good rock sneakers. They know how to treat you. You won't gotta leave you and keep her. Cause now I'm getting money and the game getting deeper. You want some real shit? I need somebody I can chill with. I need somebody I can build with. I need somebody I can hold tight. Winter timing, so white, so right. I've been looking for my whole life. Got the insight. Stand life. That's fine. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I should have
I
done
like your
more.
shirt. Oh, I don't have any more cards. I make stuff like this, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I make like with like African print as well.
You should follow us on Instagram. Maybe.
Your Instagram, yeah.
Or that's your mom's Instagram. I could, let me put it in the
The three
cards.
of them.
Yeah,
Oh,
three
okay.
of them.
Yay, shawarma guys! Oh,
course.
you live right next to me. Like,
really?
I can bike here. It's not like I drive here is maybe like 5 minutes or less. So I'm just like I always pass here.
Thank you for the water because that's like premium customer service.
Oh, thank you.
Say
There'll be more.
hi to my people.
Hi.
What's your name?
Andrew.
Hi Andrew. I'm Chica. That's Iffy. And this is alright. I love what you're doing. I love the fact you're like I've been lazy. I know how to make it, but I'm lazy. I was like, if it's good, you finish my money because any craving now is here, right? And you're right next to like you're close to me, so like if it's good, I can just bike here real quick.
That'll be good.
I'm like, yo, you're about to finish my money. You're gonna have to give me like customer discount. Shawarma packaging, best shawarma. I can't wait to try it. It's Nigerian. The guy, as you saw, is Nigerian.
Hot dog.
And like, yeah, it has a hot dog in it. So we're hoping it's great. You know, supporting black business. And it's right next to me, 160 Flemington.
If you want shawarma, you live around Flemington,
In
160 North York. Come get it.
So it looks inside. It's not a hot dog, no. Juicy, just like the Nigerian one. First bite and I like it. It's raspberries. Good job, baby. You did a good job today.
Yeah.
Are you proud?
Yeah.
You're proud of yourself?
Yeah. Pick raspberries. Pick raspberries off to the leaf.
Off the leaf, off the tree or the bush.
Yeah, off the tree, off the bush.
I'm so tired. We're back home. So all I'm gonna do right now is shower and go sleep.
Raspberries.
When I wake up, I get to work.
Raspberries.
Hudson fabric. No, that's I don't know. That's grapes. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Shower. My son and I are gonna shower, and I'm just gonna go sleep. I ate that shawarma and it was lovely.